Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you are all doing good. Well, for today's video, I'm going to share with you the things that I bought from Currimbhoys at Anna Nagar. This is actually a cake decorating shop and a homeware shop, and I got a little bit of craft supplies from them. Starting off, I got these 5 pieces of dowels, and they were priced at 55 rupees for the pack. Next, I got these slimmer dowels, and these were 10 pieces, and they were priced at 55 rupees again. Next, I got this plastic mold. It's a chocolate mold, I guess, and it's got this pretty intricate design, and I think this was also priced at 55 rupees, not sure. I'll check it out and let you know in the description box. And next, I got this is a cake carrier. You can place your cake on top of this and close it up, and you can either have it as a cake display, or you can take it and you can take it out wherever you want. And this was the smaller one was priced at 42 rupees, and I also got a bigger one. So these are both side by side, and this was what I really wanted to buy. Sorry for putting it there. These are paper doilies, and this pack was priced at 182 rupees. I'm not sure how many pieces are there, maybe 50 or 100, I'm not sure, but this is quite a bit. And at 182 rupees, this is a good price. I also got the smaller version, and this was priced at I'm not sure whether it was 91 or 41, and this is how many you get. Well, I'm going to try and make some DIYs with it, so stay tuned. If you've already been subscribed, thank you so much for all your support, and if you haven't yet, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell icon to be notified every time I upload. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye bye. Smile Jesus loves you.